Let's kick things off with a deep dive into Code Companion. This tool has become an absolute must-have for software engineers everywhere. Its main job is to help with writing code, but it does so much more than just suggest the next line. It can write entire functions or blocks of code based on a simple comment you write in plain English. For example, you can just type a sentence like, "Create a function that sorts a list of users by their last name," and poof, Code Companion will generate the complete code for you. This is a massive time saver, letting engineers focus on the bigger picture of their software project. One of the biggest strengths of Code Companion is its incredible knowledge base. It has been trained on billions of lines of code from all over the internet. It understands patterns and best practices for dozens of programming languages, from Python, JavaScript to more specialized ones like Rust. Another pro is its ability to find bugs and fix bugs. It can scan your code, identify potential errors, and even suggest the correct way to fix them. It's like having a senior developer looking over your shoulder 24/7. However, Code Companion is not perfect. One of its weaknesses is that it can sometimes be too confident. It might generate code that looks correct, but has a subtle flaw that can cause problems later. Engineers still need to carefully review and test the code it produces. Now, let's turn our attention to the second contender, Design Dreamer. This tool is a dream come true for mechanical, civil, and product engineers. Its core feature is generative design. This is a fancy term that means the AI helps you come up with new design ideas. Instead of starting with a blank slate, an engineer can give Design Dreamer a set of goals and constraints. For example, they can say, "I need a bicycle frame that weighs less than 2 kilograms, can support 100 kilograms of weight, and must be made from aluminum." The AI then generates hundreds or even thousands of possible designs that meet these rules. The main strength of Design Dreamer is its ability to boost creativity and innovation. We have seen the contenders. We have seen the contenders. We have seen the contenders. We have Code Companion, the master of code. We have Design Dreamer, the artist of form. And we have Simosphere, the guru of simulation. Each tool is incredibly powerful in its own field. Choosing just one winner is incredibly tough, as the best tool really depends on what kind of engineer you are. However, in this 2025 Showdown, if I have to crown a single champion, I must look at the breadth of its impact. From the firmware in a smart thermostat to the control systems in a factory, code is everywhere. Because of this universal trend, my verdict goes to Code Companion. Its versatility and applicability across so many different engineering disciplines give it a slight edge. So, the winner, by a very narrow margin, is Code Companion. The future of engineering is digital, and Code Companion is the most versatile tool for navigating that future.